Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this autumn freehand nail design. So I'm going to use this polish by Finger Paints. It's Everglaze and it's called A Toast to You. Orange by Pure Ice called Gorgeous. And this red by Color Club called Frostbite. So I've already painted my nails with the gold polish. And I'm going to use the orange polish and do kind of like a curve design. Paint half of my nails with it. You can use any colors you want. I'm just really into autumn colors. I've been using so many crazy colorful colors for summer, so I want to do darker colors. I love dark colors, so I want to do that. Now once I was done with the orange, I'm going to apply this dark red, and this kind of my little, abstract leaf-ish design. Just because you do autumn designs doesn't technically mean you have to do leaves all the time and stuff like that. This is like, an abstract autumn design. Now using my black striper, I'm going to just draw around the designs. I do this for two reasons: to highlight the design, of course, and also to fix any imperfections or I messed up anything. The black covers it. You can use a nail brush with either polish or acrylic paints. It's up to you. And I love doing gold. Gold is my go-to color for fall. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. I hope I made it really easy and simple for you to recreate. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you.